Good morning all from Bocas del Toro. I'm here to pick up my truck and I don't see it yet, but I know it's coming off of that boat at some point. So let's see how this goes. First time for everything, right? So from what I understand, they're having some difficulty getting one truck off of the boat, and that one truck is blocking everything else from coming off. I might be here for a while, hoping this truck gets off quickly so I can start exploring, you know? Yeah, that's why I don't trust these things. I literally just got bumped. You all saw it. Thankfully I have an iron bumper and hopefully the back of that person's vehicle isn't damaged. I got my truck back, everything seems to be here, and I'm rolling off now. So what I'm noticing, a lot of the places here are closed because of, I guess, COVID. So the entertainment factor, which would probably be popping off and busy and lively, it's just non-existent right now. Hopefully some of my videos can change that and get the tourism back up and running ASAP. Alright, official day one of Bocas del Toro. Heading out on a boat. No surfing today, there's no swell, so I will try to get some of that on Monday. So here goes. Alright, so we're heading out on the boat now. It's Priscilla.
Hi.
This is Priscilla. This is Tyson's girl. And that's Tyson down there. And we're heading out on the boat to check out some properties. It's gonna be fun. Deep in the jungle of one of the islands of Bocas del Toro called Solarte. Apparently here is known for some little red frogs. Actually there's a development here called the Red Frog because of those. So we're now on the other side of the island and there's a boat coming to pick us up. And just like that, we're all done. Off the boat, and I'm gonna get some lunch. There's a place that Tyson has told me about that I'm gonna try out, and then back to the house. Let's go get some food! Alright, so I'm a place called Restaurant Tom that was recommended by Tyson. Some nice Caribbean food, you know, so. This is Tom Jr. Blessings, bro.
Welcome always. Respect.
Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, this is an actual football match happening at the end of an airstrip or the beginning of one. I'm not quite sure. It's pretty epic though. I've never seen such a thing. And just like that, day one down. I'm gonna head home, eat some food. And now that I'm actually acquainted, or somewhat acquainted with Bocas del Toro, I'm gonna do some planning tonight, and then the action really starts tomorrow. So let's do this. Good morning from beautiful Bocas del Toro. Today is a very special day, for me at least. It's been long overdue and long awaited, and today I'm finally getting something done about this mop on my head. So I'm meeting some folks here who I had intentions of meeting. One of them is a surfer here who I connected with on Instagram called Roderick. His nickname on Instagram is G-Rod. Really nice guy. He has a very distinct Jamaican accent, which leads me to believe that his family is from there, or he's from there. I heard he's an extremely talented surfer. The water is so clean, so clean. Crystal clear. No matter how far out on the jetty I walk, no matter how deep it gets, I can still see straight to the bottom. It's crazy. I see a lot of people riding bikes here. Like, it's beginning to feel like it's one of the more preferred and standard means of transportation on Bocas del Toro. There are people riding bikes everywhere. I think I see him coming in the distance. He's walking, and the lady who's going to do my hair is walking with him. So let's meet them.
I'll go out, bro.
Blessings, bro. Pleasure to
Bless
meet you.
you, bro.
Okay.
Alright, that's the girl that's doing fun.
Come through. So folks, this is G-Rod, Roderick.
Yeah, straight, you know.
Very talented gentleman. He surfs, really good at that. He does music. You compose?
Yeah,
And sing.
and sing.
And play instruments.
Well, instrument, not so much.
Not so much yet. But yeah, I think I saw you strumming a guitar at some point.
Yeah, I was
Anything.
tough, learning to touch the guitar.
Right.
Not so good yet, but.
And this is the individual that's going to be doing my hair. Say hi.
Hey, hi.
¿Cómo se llama?
Nympha.
Nympha. Alright, so let's get this done.
Alright.
Alright, so I got my hair done. I'm gonna take a quick mark and shave to follow up, and then go take some aerials. Alright, after so long, this feels good. Whew, okay, now to get some lunch and go fly the drone. So I'm heading to a place called Playa Bluff. I'm taking the only road access to get there. This is the actual route. How trippy is that? I'm heading to Playa Bluff to get some aerial footage because a large part of Bocas del Toro you can't fly the drone because it's close to an airport. So it's a no-fly zone. So I'm going hunting for places that I can actually take off and give you some really nice aerials. So here we go. Alright, let's see if I'm in luck. Time to put this drone up. This beach is wow. Well, that was definitely a success. So time to get back to base, charge, and prep for tomorrow's adventures. It's going to be another one.